today I'd like to introduce to you this closet organizer. So I've got 4 in here, and they are all stackable, and they look like that. We've got 12 slots, and as you can see, the walls are very sturdy actually. Like they seem to be keeping its shape once unfolded, so that's really good. And in here we can put literally anything. So you can put like t-shirts, sweaters, you know, your underwear, jeans, anything you want. Of course you'll need to like fold them, but I think that is going to save you so much space in your wardrobe, and also makes it so much more organized, since you can see everything right from the top. Also here on the sides we've got handles, just so it's much easier to like transport them. And of course the material seems to be easy to clean, as far as I can see. Like this seems to be like waterproof material, so usually these are very easily washed with just a sponge really. So I think this one will be like a very versatile and practical for most spaces. Like you don't even necessarily need to use it in a bedroom, but maybe you want to put it in your bathroom or something. I don't know, like this is very like versatile. It's really up to your imagination what you're going to use it for, but this seems to be actually very good quality, much better than other products I've tried, so I'll definitely be recommending this one.